Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can enable the Hibernate option on Windows 10. Now this is a new feature, especially for new laptops on Windows 11, but it's not available on Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how you can enable it yourself. All we're going to do is go to the desktop, create a new text file, and right here, and then we're going to name it Hibernate. And after that, we are going to double click on it to edit it. And I'm going to zoom in. And after that, we are going to write down this command, shutdown /h. And after that, we are going to go to File, Save As, and we are going to go here, like the Save As type area. We're going to select all files, and then we are going to type here after the name, we're going to type .bat. And now we click Save. After that, we are going to have this new file right here. Now we can get rid of the text file that we made. We don't need that anymore. Now, when we double click on this new file, this bat file, it is going to execute whichever command we have typed in the original text file. So for this case, we typed shutdown /h, which is the command for Hibernate using command prompt on Windows 10. So when we double click this, the PC is going to hibernate. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any other tutorials, be sure to leave your idea down below in the comments. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.